Welcome to know about Clickfunnels dropshipping. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a type of retail fulfillment method where the online store buys an item from a third party whenever they sell a product. That third party then ships the product to the customer. Let's use an example of the dropshipping process. If you're an online company that uses dropshipping, you'll have a customer buy a product from you. For the purposes of this example, let's say that product is $50. You promptly receive the order for that product. As the online store, you then forward that order to your dropshipping partner. You would pay the wholesale price for the product, which would be $40 in this example. Your partner, the supplier, will then ship that product to the customer. For your part, you don't have to worry about shipping or storage. The customer gets the product, and you get to keep $10 in profit. That's dropshipping in a nutshell. It's easy to see why dropshipping has become so popular with many e-commerce sites. According to e-dss.org, roughly 27% of online stores now use dropshipping. Famous online retailer Zappos started out as a dropshipping company. Amazon does it too, though not with all their products. Click the link below this video for more updates. So why do so many love it? Let's go over the major advantages dropshipping provides, while also reviewing some of its drawbacks. In this way, you can decide if dropshipping is the right choice for your business. The benefits of dropshipping. Dropshipping gives online businesses some notable benefits that make it an attractive option. Great for new companies. If you're first starting out, dropshipping can be especially useful. Dropshipping, in a sense, makes running a business much easier. Think about all the things you don't have to worry about when you're using dropshipping. You don't have to be concerned with managing warehouse space. You're not in charge of shipping management. You don't have to track your inventory. All of these advantages make dropshipping a great choice for a new online company. Thanks for watching this video.